now 10 volts by this is 0, this is 0, 1. So 10 amps. IL0 minus 10, IL0 plus also 10. The sudden change of current in inductor is not allowed. So 0 plus we need not work out entire process, it is same. So initial value over. Then final value. Final value, switch is open. Switch is open at t equal to 0, so it remain open. At t equal to infinite. At t equal to infinite, again steady state. So we want IL of infinite. Again inductor is short. So this is the path closed. Here 10, here 30. 30 plus 10, 40 volts. 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 8 amps. Final current is 8 amps. Initial current is 10 amps. Next we have to find out tau. Tau is equal to L by R. L by R equivalent. What is L? 0.5. R equivalent looking from inductor. R equivalent looking from inductor when switch is open, when all voltage source is short. So again, what is R equivalent? Looking from here, 1 ohm, 4 ohm. It is 5. It is 5. So 0.1. Tau is 0.1. Then what is the final expression? IL of t equal to I final plus I initial minus I final e power minus t by tau. What is the final? 8. What is the initial? 10. Final again 8. E power minus, so 1 by 0.1 is 10t. So you can simplify 8 plus 2 e power minus 10t is the answer. So it's a transient first order single switch. First order because of single inductor, only one switch, DC source. So best method is shortcut. You should know initial, final, then tau, remember formula, substitute simple. Next 48. I am happy this time many questions came in networks. There is another question based on Thevenin's theorem. So he is asking Thevenin equivalent. Answer ABCD options also given. This comes under second case. One independent source, one independent source, one dependent source. 3I1 depending on here. So let us find first in this category VThevenin we have to find. I Norton we have to find. Ratio will give R Thevenin. There is a theory. Any problem if you are not understanding, refer the theorems videos, then you will understand. So first find open circuit voltage, VOC. So what is the rule I said? Started positive, go to negative. So straight away VThevenin. Here when it is open, what is the current here? 0. Current will not flow. So this drop is 0. positive to negative 3i1 into 10i1 is equal to 13i1. But what is I1 here? 5 amps now. Here this is 5 going here only. This 5 cannot flow here because it is open. So I1 compulsorily 5. So 13 into 5. 65 volts VThevenin over. Just with one step we got VThevenin. Next is short circuit current. When AB is shorted, this current is I0. Short circuit current. So when it is short, this current is I0 and this current I1 already given in the problem. And this sign, this should be equal to this now. That means what? I1 plus I0 should be equal to 5. This is one equation. Second, you can write this. This loop only consider, don't consider this because of current source. So if I take this minus 3i1 plus 2 into ISC plus 2 into ISC minus 10 I1 equal to 0 second. So solve these two comfortably. You will get ISC equal to 65 by 50. What we want R Thevenin is VThevenin by I0. So 65 by 50. So what is the answer? 15 ohms. So Thevenin equivalent is asking. This is 15 ohms. This is 65 volts. That's all. So ABCD 4 options given. This is correct. So with this stopping. If you like all these solutions, click like button. If you don't like, you click unlike button also. And please subscribe my channel if you have not done earlier. Please inform your friends to subscribe so that regularly they will get the updates. So with this, thank you very much.